Bonjour et bienvenue à French learning classes. So today we will talk about the weather and the season, le temps et les saisons. So first of all, we know that what is le temps in French, and another one, what is les saisons in French. So first word is le temps, which means the weather, and another one is les saisons, which means the seasons. So whenever someone you ask in French is what the weather it is, so how do you speak in French? Quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? Okay, that means what is the weather. And the another expression is quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? Quel temps fait-il aujourd'hui? That means what the weather is it today? Aujourd'hui is today. So what the weather is it today? So how would you answer that question? You have some options, as you say, if it is hot. If it is hot outside, then you will say il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. That means it's hot outside. And the second one is il fait du soleil. Il fait du soleil. That means it's sunny. Okay, the weather is sunny. And the third one is le soleil brille. Le soleil brille. The sun is shining. Brille word is means shining. Le soleil brille. The sun is shining. Okay, so if it is hot outside, then you will say these three expressions in French. And if it is cold outside, then you will say il fait froid. Il fait froid. That means it's cold. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. The second one is il gèle. Il gèle means it's freezing. Il gèle. The third one is il fait frais. Il fait frais. Frais means cold or chilly. So il fait frais. The weather is cold or chilly out. And the last one is il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. That means the weather is foggy. Okay, fog. Brouillard means fog. So the weather is foggy. Il y a du brouillard. And if it is beautiful and nice weather, then you will say, first one is il fait bon. Il fait bon, which means the weather is nice or warm. The weather is nice or warm. And the second expression is il fait beau. Il fait beau, which means the weather is beautiful. The weather is beautiful out. Okay, il fait bon and il fait beau. And the weather is bad or nasty, then you will say il fait mauvais. Il fait mauvais. That means the weather is bad. Il fait mauvais. If it is windy outside, okay, then we will say il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. That means it's windy outside. Il fait du vent. Vent means wind. Okay. Then second expression is il fait des nuages. Il fait des nuages. That means the weather is cloudy. Il fait des nuages. Nuages means clouds. Il fait des nuages. It's cloudy. And the third one is le ciel est couvert. Le ciel est couvert. That means it's cloudy, overcast. Le ciel est couvert. And if it is raining outside, then we will say il pleut. Il pleut. Okay, that means it's rain outside. Il pleut. Okay, and the last one is if it is snow outside, okay, then we will say il neige. Il neige. Neige means snow. It's snowing. It's snowing weather. Okay, so il neige. That means it's the weather is full of snow. Il neige. Okay. Now after that we will learn about the seasons. Okay, So there are 4 seasons in French. Les 4 saisons en français. The 4 seasons in French. So firstly we are starting with l'été. First is l'été, okay, which means summer. L'été. And this season is lies between juin, juillet et août. That means June, July and August. Okay. Juin, juillet et août. L'été. And the second one is l'automne. L'automne. Okay. And this season is lies between September, October et November. Okay. September, October and November. After that, en hiver. En hiver. That means winter. En hiver. And this season is lies between December, Janvier, February. Okay, from December to February. And the last one is le printemps. Le printemps. That means spring. And this season is lies between Mars, Avril et May. March, April and May. Okay. So there are 4 seasons in French. On répète encore fois. L'été, summer. L'automne, autumn. En hiver is winter. And the last one is le printemps, is spring. Okay. So this topic comes to an end here, le temps et les saisons, and you should practice it at your home by watching this video again and again. And if you like my video, then you can share with your friends who want to learn French, and you can subscribe this channel for getting more videos. And I will meet you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.